Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Prosper. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how to draft a mermaid skirt. If you're new on this channel, thank you for stopping by, and please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell to get updates whenever we post new videos. And for our old subscribers, thank you for always coming around. We do appreciate. So this class promised to be very interesting and detailed, so please comment and also like the video. This help the video to reach other people that needs this knowledge as well. So let's get right into it. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to draft a mermaid skirt or a shape skirt with tail. So this particular one is going to have a tail. So let's go. So the first thing I'm going to do is to get my startup line. So I'll just go ahead and roll that. So this is my startup line. Our skirt length is 38, so I'm going to measure 38 from my startup line. 38. So what I have on this pattern is 36. So we're just going to use this 36 for this illustration on this pattern. So the full paper is 36. Then I'll be adding my allowances when I want to cut on fabric. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to get my hip length. My hip length here is going to be 8 inches. Now don't forget, I'll be removing 1 inch for our waistband. 1 inch for our waistband. So I'll mark 8 inches for my hip line. The next thing I'm going to do is to mark my knee line. 17 inches is my knee line, so I marked it. I'll go ahead and connect the lines. This is my hip line, this is my knee line, and this is my waistline. So my waist is 29 divided by 4, that will give me 7.25. So I'll go ahead and mark 7.25 here for my waist. Then my hip is 36 divided by 4, that gives me 9 inches, so I'll mark it there. Then coming to my knee, I'll minus 1 inch from the hip, which will give me 8 inches. So I'll use this 8 inches for the down part, like so. So I'm going to connect the lines. I'll use my hip curve to connect the line now. Okay, so we have a straight skirt here. So the next thing I'll do, I'll go ahead and add my sewing allowance. I'm going to be adding 1.5 for my sewing allowance, so I'll add it round. Then I'll connect the lines like this. So there's my sewing allowance. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put in the waist darts. We're using 4 inches for the waist darts, then 4 inches for the depth. I'm going to mark half an inch on both sides for my dart intake. So that's my dart. So next I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and cut out. So this middle dart now, I'm going to extend it downward. That's 4 inches. So I'm marking 4 inches. After extending it like this, I'll go ahead and cut out this middle down to this point. So from this point, I'm going to cut out to a little to this point, but not totally out. So this is what we have. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to extend it like this. So this is going to give us our mermaid shape for the front. This is the front part. It's going to give us our mermaid shape for the front. So let's do that and see what it will look like. So right now I'm going to use my masking tape to tape it down. I put another pattern paper underneath it in order to get our flare. So I'm going to use my masking tape now and tape it down so it doesn't move. That's why my video like this. Okay, I finished taping it down. So what I'm going to do is I'll trace from here. Go ahead and curve. So this is what the front part is going to look like. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and trace out. So this is what our front is going to look like. By the time you finish cutting, this is what you should have. If you're not having the same thing, you go ahead and watch the video again and follow the steps. So this is the front part. So now let's go ahead and do the back part of the skirt. Okay, so I'm going to use the front pattern to trace out the back. So just go ahead and mark it. Meanwhile, I left 1.5 inch zip allowance at the center back. So I'm going to remove it now. So this is my back pattern. So I'll insert the dart. So that's the dart. So I'll go ahead now and extend that. But first, I will determine the nail length, which is 17 here and here. So this is the nail length. So I'll go ahead and then extend the dot line. So I've extended the dot line. So I'll cut out first before going to tracing our mermaid shape. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll open up this middle line. Then I'm going to extend this line or cut out the side a little, not totally. I'll leave a little space there. And I'm going to do the same thing here. And why am I doing this? It's because the back is going to have a tail. That's why we're cutting out. That's why we're slashing. This is not fine. That's why we're slashing the both sides. So I'm going to have something like this. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead now. I'm putting another pattern to get my flare. So guys, I went ahead to take it down under another pattern. I had to use the floor because the table will not give us what we want. Okay, this is my zipper area. This is the zip allowance. And then at this zip allowance, I want the tail a little bit extended. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to extend the line like this. So this is what you should have by the time you finish tracing. So go ahead and cut out. Final outcome. And here's the front pattern. So this is the front pattern, this is the back pattern. So by the time you join, it's going to look like this. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial.